Hey guys, alright, so today I will be removing the throttle body from my 1.2 liter HR12 supercharged engine. So stay tuned. Okay guys, ensure to keep this safe. This is the gasket between the intake manifold and the throttle body. So this make sure everything is sealed. So make sure you keep that nice and safe. There's two coolant lines that I need to remove if you want to take this off of the car. They're right there. So just use the pliers and crimp them. Coolant will flow out of it, so be careful, especially if it's hot or under pressure. Maybe if you started the car, had it running for a little bit, so be careful. So it's time to get this thing cleaned. Alright, let's go. Alright, so there it is. So I got my favorite product. I got a brush, and what I do, I spray it. You can see all that black, and I just keep doing this. I put a cloth underneath it because the fluid will seep through, so try to keep the place nice and clean. And I will repeat these steps as long as this is ugly. Here you can see we're making a little progress. Still black around the edges. All that is carbon build-up, because I realized that the car is not idling properly. It's idling and lumpy. Should have made a video of that, but I didn't. So there we go. I'm gonna continue this. Alright, so rub it complete. It is no longer black. I cleaned around the edges. Yes, I know doing this, it will cause problems when you start, and you have to use a scan tool to adjust the idle, do what they call. Alright, so I cleaned the gasket up, had some corrosion on it. So what I like to do, I like to place the gasket back on the throttle body, run 2 bolts through it, and